Lantern. We had a little battery problem. Green Lantern. Little Einsteins. Aren't you all impressed that I'm doing this upside down? Little Einsteins. Mulan. Transformers. And Velma. These are the teams that are being reassigned to either the 8 o'clock session or the 11 o'clock session. The decision as to what time the team will play will be left up to the coaches, since they are graciously volunteering their time for all of you, the benefit of all of your children. Thank you, and happy soccer.